Okay, guys, I'm here again. The idea is talk about function consumer, but before that, I need to explain about this file here. The Where is the file? Where is the file? Here. Schema fnq.sql. What is that? Unfortunately, Neon, where? Unfortunately, Neon Postgres is a good free tier, but don't have support to PGMQ extension is the feature used to create a queue like a SQS, and is the not the feature, the extension, and the extension used by Supabase to create the queue integration. Unfortunately, Neon is why I don't use Supabase because Neon is a serverless, and the free tier here, based on what I search, Neon Postgres. How many connections can handle on same time? In same time, 10,000 concurrent connections using pooler connection pooler like is a page bouncer. So it's really important this because means I can ability to create more connections. I believe the last time I searched in Superbase free tier, you can handle 100, something like that. 100 to 200, I believe, so I can handle more. And if I need in a scenario I need to scale, I can go from the free to launch and pay based on what I use. Unfortunately, Superbase pricing. Superbase is great, but the price, um, the Pro. Oh man, why I'm go to the docs, motherfucker? Sorry for the bad words. I need to spend 25 $25 per month. I don't like this. I like to spend less I can and do more. So I believe Neon is better. So I need to adapt the way to create a queue. So this is why I have this SQL here. The first SQL, let's explain about this guy first. Is a job. In my case, is my table. Here I save the JSON visibility at means how many time in the moment the visibility time is here I can explain. Visibility time is a time the message is unavailable, not unavailable. Oh man, the moment I need to explain, I forgot. Visibility timeout is a specific time where the message will be available again to be consumed for another consumer process. Retry count, how many retries happen. For example, I get the message, the retry increment 1. Every time I get the same message, I increment. So I have a library, a consumer library is responsible to use this info to define if I go to retry again or remove the message from the job jobs table and put in a job DLQ. The job DLQ is means that letter Q, has the same structure from the jobs table, but the difference here is focus and save message where the retry reach exceed the limit. Okay, um, this guy here get the next worker. So I need to explain now about the worker. What is the worker? Worker is a table where we will represent it has to in this table represent one process, worker process. What is the worker process? If you're familiar with message queue systems like SKS, RabbitMQ, you have a producer and a consumer, or the consumer is named in different ways. One name is worker. So worker is a guy where is a process response to get message and process this message. So each register in this table represents one process where it's focused to get message from the table jobs and execute some JavaScript code, for example. Okay, if I talk about JavaScript code, but you can use other technology like Python, Golang, Java, doesn't matter. Okay, all these tools you can connect in Postgres database, so perfect. You can execute this type of SQL there, SQL queries there. So you can use any language you prefer. Here I have my main technology is JavaScript, so I have domain about this. Okay, worker jobs DLQ. Um, what more I can say for you? I believe that's it, guys, for this moment. My main focus here is explain this part because these guys here, this all the tables I explained it here is important to understand because the next video I will talk about the consumer and that way you can have a clear idea what is a consumer, where the consumer getting the message. Okay, so I believe that's it. Like I always, I, s- I said in my videos, if you need help, comment down below or send me an email. Or you can schedule something where I can help you to figure out how to resolve something, or you stuck it in a problem. I can help you. So let me know. Bye bye, guys.